Hey everyone, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Toast? This is ticker TOST. Now let's zoom out and get the story of this stock. So you can see Toast IPO'd back here in October of 2021. Ugh, bad time to IPO. And clearly, because that's really when the market started to break down. If I bring in SPY, that the October 2021 was right around this kind of topping period where we ran up and then broke down. And so Toast didn't really get a fair shot, in my opinion, because it kind of launched at a bad time of year. And then the Fed started raising interest rates, and then everything kind of tanked. And that's kryptonite for IPOs because they don't have a lot of price discovery. And so we have the initial IPO move, a drop down into price discovery, and now we're in what most people call the institutional due diligence phase. And that's the time of the IPO where it really just kind of chops around. Major funds and investors kind of discover the company, learn about the company, and really trying to figure it out. And so that can lead to a lot of sideways chop and slop, which it's been doing for a couple of years now. Now, if I zoom into more recent price action, we can see it's tested some recent highs from back here at around that 25.69 level. You can see back here in 2023, it tried to get above, failed on earnings, tried again here in mid 2023, couldn't get above, dropped, had some successful earnings, and recently just kind of building a bit of a handle here. You can zoom out and see this large cup pattern. And then if I delete this, we can then see a bit of a handle pattern. And so I see a bit of a cup, a bit of a handle, and I see earnings coming up here. And so while I think this is an interesting stock, it still hasn't really proven itself in terms of breaking out and changing the trend. And so what I would do on Toast is keep an eye on it. Definitely watch for it to break out of this consolidation pattern, which has acted as resistance here, 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 and here. And so we have to expect that's going to be a level of resistance until it can prove otherwise. And so what I would do on Toast is probably, delete all this stuff. Yes, it's potentially building a cup and a handle, but I would take this line and really just kind of build an alert into my charting platform right around that 26.69 level. Click create. Let's have it there for a month, maybe two, something like that. Click create, and then I'll be alerted if this breaks out to the upside and can actually make a new high. Now, they do have earnings coming up at the beginning of May, so maybe this can tighten up and give us some nice tight price action before a pop above and a potential trend change. So while I don't think Toast is ready to pop just yet, I certainly think the fact that it has chopped sideways in and around this range for a while definitely warrants watching. So that's what I'm going to do here with Toast, and I wanted to share it with you here tonight. I hope it's helpful. If you want to see what else we're looking at StockMarketMentor.com, click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.